This is so cool! Guys, isn't this amazing? Where are those guys? Scarlet, you're crushing me! Am not. R2, am not. You are too, Scarlet! You're not inside my body. You don't know how I'm feeling. You're just an idiot. Leah Kathleen Clark. You know we don't use that word in this house. Besides, I don't even know what you guys are fighting about. Can you get more stupid with something to argue about? No? Cheryl, before I say my part and agree with you, I'm just going to say I'm the most squished out of all of you. You're all demolishing me because you're all like sitting on me or leaning against me or something else. Oops, sorry. Anyone can tell where my sisters are because they're always fighting, especially Scarlet and Leah. I've heard Mom say that word before. Why can't I say it? And plus, who made you in charge, Cheryl? Mom put me in charge because I'm the oldest. And even though Isabel's leading this, I'm still in charge. Well, at least Isabel doesn't have as much of a temper as you do. You always are blowing up on people and stuff. I mean, how pathetic can you get? Why, you little... Guys, stop arguing and listen. Isabel? Guys, I need you to come down right now. I found the fridge, and we need to get inside of it. We're up here because we're tired, and I wanted to sit down, but the floor is just dirty and not comfy. Oh, baloney, just come down. Well, it's not baloney because it's Leah, but still, come down. Okay, we'll come down. Wait, I can do something about it. We can climb up onto the island, slide down on the counter, pull out a drawer, and then tie my rope to get to the fridge. Sorry, Caroline, I didn't catch all that. So we'll climb onto the island from the chair, just us five, and then slide onto the counter, pull out the candy drawer, tie my rope to the handle, tie the other handle to the fridge, and then tightrope. I think I understand what you're saying. Do you want me to come up? Don't worry about that, Isabel. I can be in charge at this point. You go stand by the fridge, and I'll toss you the rope. Okay. How you doing down there, Isabel? Not so great. This noose is seriously hurting my stomach. It'll be fine, Isabel. Just hang in there. So which one of you all wants to go first? I'll go first. I'm obviously the bravest sister here. No, you're not. I'm the bravest here. Since I'm such a nice sister, Leah, I'll let you go first. Okay, Leah, come on down. I don't want to go. You will be fine. Don't worry. I'll help you get onto the rope. Slide one leg over to the other side of the rope, so then the rope is in between your legs. Remember, I'm there. Okay, then. Wow, this is going so great. Can I get off now? You're doing so good, and you're getting closer. Why would you want to get off? Okay, so you'll get there faster. Hold onto the rope with both hands in front of you, and slowly scoot yourself forward. Oh, okay. I'm such a chicken. I can't even go on a tightrope, and It's only like a foot or two off the ground. I'm so scared, though. Okay, Leah, you can stop complaining now. You have used up all of my encouragement. Fine, but if I die, it's your fault, Caroline. Uh-oh, here she comes. Look, Caroline, I made it! I made it! That's great, Leah. Now let Isabel help you climb into the fridge. Okay, I got this. Ouch, you're crushing me, Leah. Sorry, Isabel, but I'm in hot pursuit for a nice batch of fresh strawberries. Do I just open the door? Yep, and then Scarlet will come down on the tightrope, and so on. Strawberries, you will be mine. Hey, look, whipped cream. I can dip my strawberries in here. Probably not a good idea, Leah. You guys have got to try these strawberries. They work so well with this sweet whipped cream. Hey, look, it's a gallon of milk. I love milk. Scarlet, don't do it. Don't do it, Scarlet. Oops. Scarlet, you tipped over the milk. Mom's gonna be really suspicious now. I can explain. I think I went a little overboard on the whipped cream. I'm feeling a little sick. Me too. That Mexican rice was so delicious, but I think I had too much. Well, is that so? Come on then, girls. What is the only cure to being so full that you want to throw up? Exercise. We could take a walk. Oh, in the house, of course. Where would we go, though? Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? Grandma's makeup box. Makeup box.